Hi, welcome to lesson 30, subtracting three-digit numbers with regrouping. Earlier we did some work with regrouping with two-digit numbers. Well, guess what? The same holds true for three-digit numbers, four-digit numbers, all the way. Once you know the principles of regrouping, you can do huge numbers. But for now, we're going to focus on three digits. The first one is $365, and we subtract $187. And as I'm looking, 5 minus 7 is not going to work. So we're going to do an exchange. We take take one of our tens and put it in with the 5. We now have 15 minus 7. This equals 8. Oh man, again, 5 minus 8, can we do that? No, darn it. Oh, I'm gonna have to regroup. Now this time I'm handing over one of the hundreds. I'm exchanging one of the hundreds for 10 tens, and we say 15 minus 8 is 7. And now we say 200 minus 1 is 1, and this is what they have left, $178. This is a little simpler, $4. The way this problem was written, I think they were trying to trick you. Let me read it to you. Before she spent $1.12, Olivia had $4.10. The way they've worded that, you have to really think. Before she spent $1.12, she had this much. So you have to picture that in your mind, that Olivia had $4.10, and then she spent $1.12. And so now we need to find out what she's got left. And I'm looking at this already and I'm thinking, really? Time to exchange. We're going to put this as a 0, and we're going to transfer a group of 10s over. So we have 10 ones minus 2 is 8. 0 minus 1, we can't do that. So we've got to go over to the 4. We take our 3. We put our little 1 right there. If you can see, there's a 10 minus 1 is 9. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. And Olivia finds herself having about $3, $2.98. Finally, they've given us this problem. There was the item cost $9.49. There was a sale, it's been reduced. They've taken off $1.42 on the price, and you need to find out about how much it's going to cost. Now, the code on this is about how much. Do we want to know the exact cost? No. Do we need to find it? Not necessary. So when they say about, that gives us kind of a little bit of wiggle room. And so I'm going to look at this and I'm going to say to myself, do I really want to do all these numbers? Yeah, not really. So I'm going to use what's called a composite. They call it a compatible number. So I can say that $9.49 is about $9.50. This is a little different than rounding because we're not doing the official rounding part, but we are saying $9.49 is about $9.50. And I can also say $1.42, it is about $1.50. And so we subtract these. 5 minus 5 is 0, 9 minus 1 is 8. The item is going to be about $8. Now, this I use a lot when I'm in the store and I'm thinking, I've got $10 in my purse. Am I going to have about enough money? And I like to do this when I'm at Walmart, when I'm at Costco. I think rather than thinking $9.49, I can think $9.50, and that will help me not have to do all of this math. It'll just give you a ballpark idea. I love this tool. It is so handy. And the next time you go to the store, I say try it out. And you can just shock your family by saying, guess what? You've spent about this much money on groceries or wherever you go. Anyway, I will plan to see you at the practice set, and we will keep working on this because this is really fun. Take care.